place?
No. There's nothing here. It's just that, some places are like people. Some shine, some don't. I guess you could say the Overlook Hotel here has something about it. It's like shining.
Is there something bad here?
Well, Doc, when something happens, it can leave a trace of itself behind. Say, like, if someone burns toast, well, maybe things that happen leave other kind of traces behind. Not things that anyone can notice, but things that people who shine can see. Just like people see things that haven't happened.